Lucas here with FastCap, and I'm going to introduce you to my newest product. This is the Accessory Clip. It's a simple little clip that's meant to hold all your small diameter vacuum accessories. So that's for your 2-inch diameter accessories. Fits really anything from 1.85 to 2-inch diameter. Clips in nicely, super strong. There's no way you're going to break this. It's our Nylomax blend of nylon. It's an awesome little clip. And actually, we found that it's great for all sorts of things around the shop, not just your vacuum accessories. So get a few, stop the struggle with all your vacuum accessories, and then see what else they might work for. Anything from 1.85 to 2 inches works great in here. Holds bottles, holds chuck keys, can throw wrenches on here, can throw pliers in here, and it works great, we found, for all of our CNC collets. It holds our old collets as well as our new Cap 40 collets. Just awesome. Great little clip, available today on FastCap.com. I think that you're gonna love this product. Between this, a screw gun holder, and our third hand clip, I don't think there's anything you won't be able to hang on your wall, nice and organized. And it mounts with almost any standard screw, bugle head screw, drywall screw, one of our Colby corner screws, anything you want, 2 screw holes in here, just drive them into the wall and you're good to go.